Wrongful termination can be any number of things, and an immediate example I think will help to understand it is we had a lady who was a PhD, very experienced. The president, the owner of the company's very good friend, was making advances towards her, making extremely inappropriate comments, vulgar comments. She reported it to HR. HR then, of course, went up the chain to the president, and our client is the one who was terminated. So what she did was she complained, which she had a right to do, which the company's own HR policies and handbooks said this is what you're supposed to do. And instead of investigating the claim and protecting the employee, what they did was they fired her. That's in one of the simplest forms of what a wrongful termination is. When we receive a phone call from a client and they tell us they've been wrongfully terminated, the first thing we start doing is asking questions. Tell us who you work for, how long you've been there, what do you do, how much are you paid, who are your co-workers? And through that line of questioning, we can narrow the scope of the issues. And then what we ask them to do is gather documents and other information. We ask them to come into the office, or if needed, we'll go and meet the client. Once we have all of the information necessary, we'll tell the client that these are the possible claims that you have. And the wrongful termination is definitely one of them, depending on the facts. If you've been wrongfully terminated from work, I invite you to contact our firm. There's no charge or fee for the consultation. And if we accept your case, you don't have to pay any fees unless we win.